Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Are you a content creator drowning in ideas, drafts, and deadlines? I get it. That's why I use ClickUp to plan, create, and publish content without the chaos. In this video, I'll show you exactly how ClickUp can help content creators stay organized and productive. Start by creating a content space in ClickUp. Inside, set up folders for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platforms you use. Each piece of content becomes a task where you can store your script, assets, and deadlines. ClickUp Docs are a lifesaver. I use them for brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, and even drafting captions. You can link docs directly to your tasks, so nothing gets lost. Switch between list, calendar, or board view to track your workflow. Add statuses like idea, drafting, editing, and published. This gives you a clear view of where each piece of content is in the pipeline. If you work with editors, designers, or VAS, assign them tasks and set due dates. Use comments and mentions to keep communication inside ClickUp. No more endless emails. Finally, use ClickUp dashboards to track performance metrics. You can see content output, deadlines met, and even integrate analytics to track growth. ClickUp helps me turn content chaos into a smooth workflow. If you're a creator, give it a try. You'll save time and stay consistent. Don't forget to click on the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.